a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it.
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing, I done slaved over. Gon' arch your back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat. Like, eyes up, look at me, now I'm the captain. Brought the camera, time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction. Tuck the napkin, time for snacking. You a mother meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real. Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute, cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven, she gon' put me in the wheel. And willingly, I wanna do anything she wanna do. I ain't even wanna boo, but this is what the karma do. It's hard to be apart from you, cause ooh, I
love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so a lot of you guys know, if you've been watching me as of late, when I do units that I have personally copped with my own coins, I like to give a subscriber shout out. So today's subscriber shout out is gonna go to my girl Tina Wells. Shout out to you, boo. You have been rocking with me for so long. I truly do appreciate you so much. I honestly thought that I had did a subscriber shout out to you a long time ago, but honey, you checked me. You checked me in the comments and said that I haven't. But I appreciate you so much, sis. Like, thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for being a part of my family. I truly do appreciate you so much. If you guys are interested in a subscriber shout out, all you gotta do is show me some love down below in the comments. Make sure you're hitting that like button because it definitely helps my videos get more traffic. Comment down below and just, I don't even care if you're saying, girl, you're ugly. Just comment, okay? Whatever you want to comment down below because that does help this channel get seen. So once again, shout out to you, Tina, and now we can get into this wig. All right, y'all. So if you've been watching me, you know I like to also give myself a shout out, okay, for copping this unit with my own coins because honey, this came out your girl's bag, okay? It came out of my bag. So go, Christy. Go, Christy. Go, Christy. Go, Christy. Okay, yeah. I like to shout myself out for these types of videos. So once again, I did cop this unit with my own coins. Okay, nobody sent me this. None of that good stuff. I do get comments like that in these videos. And honey, they don't know who Christina Brown is. Okay, they may know Disastrous Beauty, maybe. But they don't know who Christina Brown is. So I copped this unit with my own coins. The unit that I am rocking is by Zury Sis. It is their RHD lace upgraded, real transparent HD lace unit, and it is in the style BYD RHD lace Lavy. Child, why do they always do them BYs and all that stuff? I don't know. I think the name is Lavy, it may be Lazy, but I'm gonna call old girl Lavy, okay? The color is FFT Reverse BL, and it has on here RHD lace, super thin and soft and stretchable, undetectable lace, melts effortlessly. That's what's on the front, and then in the back, it's just showing you the FFT Reverse BL. I guess that's a thing right now. And the unit that they actually have on the back is the unit that I actually wanted, but honey, y'all done bought them all. But anyways, this is what it looks like on the stock part. So that's it in like a 1B or whatever sort of natural color. I don't know what color it is. Oh, it also says that it's heat safe up to 400 degrees and it's pre-tweezed. So yeah. And then this is it on the back. And this is actually the unit that I wanted in this color. But like I said, honey, y'all don't be playing no games. I'm gonna need y'all to stop buying all the good colors. Okay, so with this particular unit, this is a lace part wig, meaning it doesn't have any where you can't part it anywhere else. You have to wear it as you get it, okay? So you can shift it a little bit, but I don't even think you can shift it to the other side. You may can shift it over and do a super deep part, but I don't think you can shift this unit to the other side, honey, because it ain't gonna look right. It ain't gonna look right. As far as shedding and tangling with this wig, I've honestly not noticed any so far. That's not to say old girl won't do any of the things at some point. Just straight out of the packaging, she's doing none of the things. Now, they did mention that this is, did they call it transparent or HD lace? Yeah, they called it transparent and HD, child. Okay, they called it transparent HD. Okay, so, and I have to agree, the lace just sort of melted in. Can you guys even see it? It just kind of melted in. So, with this particular unit, honey, they ain't lie. They ain't lie. Old girl is definitely transparent and she is HD. So, shout out to them for that. And as far as it being big head friendly, I did have to adjust the straps. I am an average cap size, so when I have to adjust the straps, then I deem a unit to be big head friendly. But girl, do with that what you want to do with that, because honey, I only got the head that's on my shoulders. Okay, I ain't got nobody else head. I can only tell you about the head that's on my shoulders. Okay, so once again, do with that what you want to do. And it is heat safe because I did apply heat to this unit to just kind of lay down the top some. So it is heat safe for sure. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons about this wig, then please continue to watch. Child, what my con is, I need to go ahead. Let me see how much old girl costs, because that's going to determine my con. Hold on. Okay, so one of my cons with this unit is the fact that it is $40, honey. Okay, it's $40, and it's a synthetic wig. It's a short synthetic wig, and you cannot part it elsewhere. Okay, so though to me the price, with the fact that you can't part this unit nowhere else, and it's short, and it's $40. So that's my con with this unit. Do with that what you want to do with that, girl. My pros with this unit is this lace. I think the lace is really, really nice. Now, could it stand to be tweezed a little more and all that good stuff? Yes. But you only got so much room because, once again, it's a lace part wig. So, I feel like I love the lace. The lace is amazing. I also really like this odd color. Like, I know a lot of people, this is not going to be your cup of tea, but I'm feeling this color. Like, I'm feeling the color, okay? I also love the style and I love the length, because the length just makes it easier for me, and I love the curls, and I just like how it comes ready to go. Even if you don't get this unit in this color, I feel like the style is just really, really nice. Like, it's just a really nice style, and I love the curls and everything about that part of this unit. Like, I'm feeling it, girl. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, those are my pros. Okay, so as far as recommending this wig, I think it really is going to depend on the person. Okay, I do feel like it's extremely expensive for a synthetic wig that is not a frontal, and it's a short wig. So it just kind of depends on you. I feel like if you got an event, it's a showstopper, especially when it's in this odd sort of color. Even if it's natural, I feel like it's a whole look, it's a whole vibe. But ultimately, it is a synthetic wig, and it's short, and it's a lace part wig. So it just kind of depends on you. Would I buy this wig again? Probably. 4 years ago, would I have bought this wig? Probably not. Probably not. Okay, so it just kind of depends on you. It depends on your budget. It depends on what you deem to be worthy. You know, nowadays wigs are just like at the top of my thing. Like, I don't mind spending money on wigs when it used to be something else. You know what I mean? It just depends on you, what is quality, or what is your vice. We're gonna call my wig habit a vice. So it just depends on you as a person. y'all. So let me go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing up, because you know your girl can talk. You know your girl can talk. Okay. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you think it's worth it. I am interested in hearing your thoughts and opinions. Let me know if you own this unit. I'm not sure how old or young old girl is. Let me know down below what you guys think. And let me know what you think about my pros and cons, and if you agree or disagree with my pros and cons. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions down below in the comment. And even if you want to get down there and say, what's up, Chris? Like, I ain't feeling you today. Okay, you can get down there and say that. Just let me know. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to where I purchased it from down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or something I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't.